Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage content marketing with Buffer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with managing content marketing using Buffer, first, visit the Buffer website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Connect your social media accounts by clicking the Account tab. Select the platforms you wish to manage, such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Authorize Buffer to access your social media accounts. Next, go to the Content section of the dashboard. Here, you can create new posts by clicking the Create Post button. Choose the social media platform for your post. Write your content in the provided text box. You can also add images, videos, or links to enhance engagement. Once your post is ready, schedule it by selecting the date and time. Use that Add to Queue option to publish immediately or select a specific time. After scheduling, you can view all your upcoming posts in the Queue section. To analyze your content's performance, navigate to the Analytics tab. Here, you will find insights on engagement, clicks, and reach for your posts. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve future posts. Lastly, remember to regularly update your content schedule for consistency. This will help maintain audience engagement and visibility on social media platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.